Hi there, I'm Dan from CYP Europe, Key Account Manager for the UK and Europe partners. So today at ISE we've been showing off our latest SDVOE products. So this is a AV over IP type system but over a 10 gig network. So the benefits of that would be very high bandwidth, so you can allow HDR content over your system. It will allow features like we have our Multiview, which will allow, back up the top there, we've got our Multiview system. So you're able to run one receiver with multiple transmitters, all displaying on that one screen. Most of that is thanks to the high bandwidth functionality. Multiview can allow you many presets where you can decide which transmitters are going to be displayed on which of your Multiview system. The system as well, if you're after a very high switching or very fast switching time, you would allow the scaler to be set on your receiver. So this lower screen here, for example, we have the scaling set automatically now to a 4K 60 input. If I drag and drop my content onto that lower screen, we will see incredibly fast switching times. Let's go again, that's now just on our signage player. If I move a Blu-ray player across onto the screen, very fast switching times. If you want to enjoy the full sort of HDR quality over your system, you would disable the scaling and put it into native, allowing you to have the highest quality. As with our standard AV over IP system, you can also run this in a video wall format, so set various receivers into a maybe 2x2, 4x4, and just build that system up as you need to. The actual units themselves, we're using transceivers, so you would set these as either a transmitter or a receiver, and we have these items available with fiber or with CAT. Brand new to the range that we will be releasing is actually a transceiver that can transmit and receive at the same time. That's coming later this year, we would imagine, so I won't go too much into that for now. So essentially that's our 10 gig SDVOE system with a bit of an overview. Feel free to come and see us again at next year's show, which will obviously be in Barcelona. But that's me, Dan from CYP. Visit www.cypeurope.com.